Hi, this is Monica and welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is going to be, you guessed it, I'm packing my makeup since, I've been packing my makeup now for a while, so we're not going to talk about it because we got a lot to get done and we're going to get it done today. Videos, packing, dinner, whatever is going down, this is how it is. This is how it's gonna be. Okay, so today I wanted to pack up my makeup, talk to you guys, and talk about why I like makeup. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe. And they told me to start saying hit the like button. The reason why I'm supposed to say hit the like button is because what did she say? If I say hit the like button, even if you don't subscribe to my channel, even if you don't subscribe to, no, not the like button, hit the, damn it, hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell, because the lady said if you hit the notification bell, even if you don't subscribe, you can actually know when I upload a video, and that's just as good. So even if you don't subscribe to my channel, then just go ahead on and hit the like button. That'll help us to stay out. That's how that's gonna go. Okay, so I got this paper, and we're gonna put this paper down in here because God knows this is my shadow. And so I'm gonna put this paper down in here, and I'm gonna pack up this shadow in here because I don't want it to be rocking and rolling all around, break my shadow. I have a heart attack. They got called. The care flight come get me because I'd have passed out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shadows that y'all see yesterday. I'm not gonna, the other day or whatever the hell it was. I made that damn video that y'all need to go watch. Okay, but we're not gonna talk about that. So we're gonna just start. I'm just gonna talk. We'll get through this, and it's gonna be that. Okay, so I'm going to start with my bigger palettes, put them at the bottom, and talk about why I like makeup. Well, why I like makeup is because when I was younger, maybe about in the third grade or so, I was being bullied. Now, see, I was born in the 70s, so by the time I got to school, like in the third and fourth grade and stuff like this, it was like in the mid 80s, like in the mid 80s, whatever the case may have been. So I was at school, and me and 4 other little girls all went to school together, from kindergarten all the way up into like 8th, 9th grade, some old shit like that. So these girls decided when we got into the 3rd grade that because my hair wasn't as long as theirs, my skin color wasn't the same as theirs, and blah, 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 that they was going to pick on me and they was going to bully me. Okay, so fast forward. So when these girls decided that this was what they was going to do, and they thought, oh, okay, we're going to pick her because she don't got the good clothes that everybody got, and she don't look like us, long bangs, light skin. Some light, some of them dark. Even some of them was dark that still thought they was better than me. But it's okay, because this is what turned me into the bitch that I am now. So we're going to go to the 3rd grade. Boom. Okay, so we was on the 3rd grade, and they were more into nail polish and all this other stuff, and whatever the case may be, going skating and this shit or whatever. So me, on the other hand, I didn't have skates, I didn't have clothes, and I didn't have just things that they had, but I just didn't have it because my mom was a single parent, because her and my dad broke up when we was younger. So we'll talk about that later. But anyway, they decided where they was gonna, the teacher had said something about she smelled nail polish, and so nobody was painting no nail polish in the class. So the one girl decided, the bigger bully, she was the queen of the mean girls. She said, ain't nobody painting no nail polish over here. She was like, that's Monica. She got nail polish on anyway. So everybody in the classroom, turned around, looked at me. I knew I didn't, because my nail polish that I had on was old. And by my nail polish being old, it was chipping. So when she came over and smelled my hands, she said it wasn't me. So the mean girl queen, we're going to call her the mean girl queen. The mean girl queen decided, well, oh, so the teacher then figured out that it was her nail polish and that she was painting her nails in the classroom. So now the teacher is mad at her, and now she got to write sentences. So in between this, she goes and she gets mad at me for no apparent reason. Now keep in mind, we was all friends up until we got in this grade. Okay, so she up and she whispers in my ear, I'm going to, microphone, I'm going to beat you up on the bus. So of course the kids in the classroom was, ooh, she's going to beat you up, this. My sister, who I transitioned over to somewhere, I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to get emotional or no stuff like this. So I seen her on the playground and I told her about what had happened. She looked at me and she said, Monica, she said, listen to me. She said, I said, so Monique, what do you want me to do? And she said, you know what you're going to do? You're going to beat her ass. I said, but everybody else is her friend. She said, no, you're going to beat her ass. She called me ugly. She called me bald head. She said I was poor. She said that my mom couldn't afford stuff. And it was bad. But anywho, she decided where she was going to beat me up at 3 o'clock. So me, on the other hand, out of all my mom's kids, I'm the most, even though it don't seem like it now. Because God knows a bitch can try me now and I'm going to rip her goddamn soul out. I'm going to rip her soul out, okay? Please, God, don't try me now. Okay, but anyway, back to the story. My sister told me, she said, Micah, she said, I'll be on the bus. She said, but I probably can't get to the bus by the time you get there. She said, so you going to beat her ass. I said, I'm going to get kicked off the bus. She said, so? She said, you're going to beat her ass. And she said, all you got to do is beat her ass. And you beat her ass and you don't have to fight them because everybody will watch what the fuck they say. If you beat one of them's ass, the rest of them be like, nah, we ain't fucking with crazy. Okay, so I started, okay, we got the eyeshadows packed. I'm not going to put any more eyeshadow in there because God knows, girl, no. All my eyeshadows is in there. I don't have any more that's out. So we're going to stick this box to the side and I'm going to finish off this story. Then we're going to move on to something else. Okay, so the girl decided it came time for us to get on the bus. And so everybody was following her, even the high school kids, the middle school kids was following because they knew that she had been bragging about in the lunchroom that she was going to fight me. So I thought to myself, Monica, this is your motherfucking chance. This is your goddamn chance. You go wrong here and you do her. Do her. So I got on the bus. When I got on the bus, I sat towards the front because I wanted to make sure it's more eyeshadow in here. Damn you. It's more. This is where I'm gonna sit because I never sat towards the back because if you ever rode the school bus, you know the popular kids sit in the back, and the kids that's not so popular sit towards the front. So where do you think I was sitting? Towards the front. My sister was sitting towards the back. But she was popular. She had all the friends and stuff like this. Thought she was cool. So she got on the bus. She didn't. She waited outside the bus to make sure that people was getting on the bus so they could see this fight because she just knew she was gonna get it off. So honey, did I have a trick for her? She decided that she was going to go ahead and do me dirty. But I had it in my mind, this is one time, bitch. You're going to put your hands on me and I am going to do you. She called me ugly, dark, tall, and all this other stuff. And it was a mess. And my feelings was already hurt because she said this would be I thought she was my friend. But it hurt my feelings more that she wanted to try to fight me. So I was bent down in the seat, put my book bag underneath the seat. So when I put my book bag underneath the seat, she saw me bent down and she hit me in my back. Boom. Everybody on the back of the bus like, oh, okay. I got up out that goddamn seat and I windmilled her ass like a helicopter. I hit her everywhere that her arms couldn't go. I didn't give her no chance to try to get up because I was going to windmill her to death. I was hitting her like John Henry with a hammer. I was just hitting her and I kept my eyes closed. I opened them every now and again to see what she looking. And I hit her some more. So I hit her. Boom. Down she went. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, oh, mine gonna kick your ass, blah, blah, blah. That motherfucker left me alone. She left me alone because A, I stood up to her. B, I just was like, fuck it, I wasn't gonna take no ass whoop from Monique. And I had to take an ass whoop from her. One of you two gonna have to lose. But I know what Monique can do, so I'm gonna beat your ass, bitch. And it was on. So I'm gonna come back in a minute. I'm gonna get another box ready. And we're going to pack up something else in there. And then I'm gonna continue on with these stories of watching John Wick. Okay, I'm back. So I'm not gonna put this microphone on because I'm sick of it. It's falling off. It's all this other extra stuff. I'm trying to get these boxes and stuff done. So while I was off camera, let me get this off. While I was off camera, I already packed and wiped off some of my gift box sets of my cologne. Now cologne to me, you can either smell good or it could go terribly wrong. So, but some stuff like gift sets and stuff, you get from family and stuff like this, and it means something to you. So this first gift box that I packed up, but I already packed it up. I just want to show y'all the gift boxes. Hold on. Is this set? And my husband's aunt, before she passed, gave me that. It's the White Diamond set by Elizabeth Taylor, and I choose not to get rid of it because it's sentimental to me. But you can tell that I have never opened it or anything. But look how pretty that is. Look how pretty it is. Brand new. I absolutely love that. But it's more sentimental to me. But it's not a cologne that I would reach for, you know. I just won't, you know what I'm saying? So when my daughter was little, she started working at McDonald's. My youngest daughter, Jamaica, she started working at McDonald's. So she went and she bought me this Lucy the Diva set. And it looks like that. Look how pretty that is. I've kept it because my baby girl got me that. And I'm not throwing it away. And who are y'all? Unless y'all kids, unless you got kids, if you know what that feels like, if your kids to buy you something, it could be a chocolate covered piece of shit. You gonna keep it because that's a chocolate piece of shit. Your kids got you. So we're not gonna talk about that. My husband, who I absolutely love, bought me this 1,000 Wishes, this 1,000 Wishes set from Bath and Body Works, and it came in this gift box, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna display these. Actually, I'm gonna hold this in because I don't want it to fall out. I'm gonna display the boxes with the cologne in it because I've never used these because of how it was packaged. So. You know, you want. Okay, so I was telling y'all about the bully on the bus and this and that. So I really, once I think about it, I really don't see what the big deal was about why she didn't like me or why the group of girls didn't like me. What I should have done was just left it alone because at the end of the day, nobody made me. I made myself. So therefore, I know what I am right now. I know what I mean to me right now. So what I just don't get it. You know what I'm saying? But you know, if you have never been bullied, then you was never important. I had to be important enough for a group of girls that I thought was my friends to actually pass judgment on me, and to make me feel some type of way. It wasn't what I was called when I was an adult. It's what they said to me when I was a child. And I held on to that and held on to that and held on to that all this time. So I think I let it define who I was. So I don't know. That's why I said people should watch what they say to people. Because you never know. They can turn out to you be friends later on in life and they still remember shit like that, invite you over to their house and listen, you, them, and Hannibal Lecter sitting at the damn table because they eat your shit with fava beans and shit. So, no. Y'all better watch what the hell y'all say to these people, okay? These kids nowadays don't give no fucks, okay, about what they say. But I have to stop cussing because it's that, no. Okay, and then this set right here is old too. It is. And this is the Victoria's Secret Angel collection. I got this for Christmas also a long time ago. But I kept it in the packaging. But look at that packaging. Look at that packaging. And that's just what I'm going to display it. Just like this. And I think that is so beautiful. So, yeah, people just don't know when, just say if I was poor, who the fuck are you to say what somebody is poor and what somebody got? Who are you? Kids, see, I should have been thinking about this when I was little, so when I got bigger, I could just had to let it go. But I apparently haven't let it go because it's still bothering me. So this next set, when the coronavirus first started, Rona, when she first came to town, moved in, Versace was having, Ulta was having a sale on their minis. And I bought this Versace Bright Crystal little set. It looks like this. And this is what the cologne looks like. I've never used that either, so I'm going to display that also. So, I think I'm just going to package up like my Victoria, all these body washes and stuff like this is what's going into this box. But I think I just wanted to tell that story because these people really think that their opinion matters. Your opinion don't mean shit, especially not to somebody like me, because I could give a damn, really, I'm just going to be honest. I can give a damn what a person's opinion of me is now. Because unless you walk in my shoes, honey, I don't give a damn if you like me or not. It's not about if you like me. It's about if I like me. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this. And I think I just wanted to get on here and I wanted to tell y'all about, being bullied and what makeup meant to me. Because makeup to me is like an outlet. Makeup to me makes me feel like an outlet. It's an outlet for me. So it's something more personal with me than it is with somebody else. Because other people could like makeup for a different reason. I like makeup because I could be this Monica and then I could be a whole nother Monica. Whether my hair is long, short, dark, whatever. I can still just be Monica. And I try to come on here all the time and like not have on my makeup and stuff like this. I do that because I don't want y'all to get comfortable with me all made up, eyelashes long and stuff like this all the time because that's not real life. That's not how this goes. So makeup, when you next time you choose to question somebody about, why you wear makeup, just think about it. It has to be a reason. And if you at any point felt like or done something that made somebody else feel bad, think about what I said. You don't want to get invited to somebody's house for dinner and it end up to be dinner. So watch what you say to people because you never know what kind of psychopath you created when they're little. Now, me on the other hand, I don't think I'm a psychopath until somebody push my buttons. Until you push my buttons, then, but at the end of the day, I'm okay. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'm going to try to come back on here sometime this weekend to show y'all the progress that I've made with my packing stuff, my packing situation. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell because the lady said so. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.